everyone, welcome back to another Meet the Bags video. Today I am super excited to introduce you to the classic handbag. I think this is my most favorite bag I have ever made. I am just so in love with her. Let me show you some of her details. So it's very vintage, retro looking. We have this quilted front pocket, which opens up by the dual zippers at the front here. She has a crossbody strap that can come on and off, purse feet, and a decorative bottom. Now both of these zippers open up to the same compartment, so you can have one side, depending which side you want to open it up from. So on one side we have the two slip pockets, the other side we have the decorative zipper pocket. Now this one would be very easy as an add-on. I'm actually thinking about doing it for my own bag, is adding a quilted slip pocket on the back as well. So it would look like this, but without the zipper. So that is something that we could definitely add on for an upcharge if you like it. But man, oh man, this bag is so beautiful. Now, this faux leather that I've made this one in is limited edition. I'm not sure how long my supplier will have this in stock. It's a vinyl pearl from Galaxy Customs. This is the sky blue color. Yeah, it just looks amazing with the matte black hardware on this bag. But we can make this in any of the faux leathers that I offer with your choice of hardwares and lining and all that. So, if you would like to order one of these bags, my information is down below in the description. You can shoot me an email or catch me on social media. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on how to make this one. So watch for that on my channel. If it's not up already, it should be up later today, November 12th, 2021. Anyways, thanks everybody. I will catch you on the next one. Bye.